Page 175, we're going to find the average speed to solve a real world problems. Got some music playing there for you in the background. How do you like that? The speed that an object is traveling over a distance may not be the same all the time. For example, a bicycle might speed up or slow down as it travels between 2 points over a given amount of time, like if it's going uphill or downhill, right? You can use an average speed to describe how fast the bicycle is traveling. Average means, like over a long period of time. Sometimes it's going faster than that, sometimes it's going slower than that, but it's kind of like the middle speed, right? Look at the example. Post A and post B are 9 meters apart. Post B and post C are 21 meters apart. A bicycle travels from post A to post B in 2 seconds, then it travels from post B to post C in 3 seconds. Find the average speed of the bicycle for the distance from post A to post C. All right, well, we are going to, first of all, notice that it's going 9 meters. So, let's start with Stinky Tim died. Speed times time equals distance. It's going 9 meters in 2 seconds right here. So that means that it's going, and then it goes 21 meters in 3 seconds. How far does it actually go? It's actually going 30 meters altogether, right? The 9 meters and the 21 meters. And how long does it take? It takes 5 seconds. So speed is, we don't know. So we're going to put speed times the time. We know the time, that's 5 seconds. The distance is equal to 30. And so what number times 5 is 30? 6. So the answer is 6 meters. Got to look back and see what they're talking about. Per meters per second. We can abbreviate that with 6 MPSs, 6 meters per second. All right, now I would like you to try numbers 7 and 8. Pause the video. Actually, just do number 7. Just do number 7. Pause the video while you do 7 and then turn the video back on to see the correct answer. And hopefully you'll have it right. All right, here we go. Number 7. The distance between town P and town Q is 80 miles. And the distance between Q and R is 320 miles. A van takes 2.5 hours to travel from point P to Q. It takes another 5 hours to travel from town Q to R. Find the average speed of the van for the whole journey. So we're, again, doing Stinky Tim died. We're looking for the speed it's asking us. Can we figure out the total distance? If it travels 80 miles and then 320 miles, it's going 400 miles, right? And if it's taking 2.5 hours and it's taking another 5 hours, the time it's taking is 7.5 hours. How are we going to find this number? Again, it's a missing number in a multiplication problem, so we're going to divide. And we want to stick with fractions since it's given to us in fractions. We're dividing 400 by 7.5, or 400 divided by 15 halves, or 400 times 2/15. Now I'm going to make this problem simpler before I do all this work. I'm going to divide 400 by 5 because I can divide 15 by 5. 400 divided by 5 is 80. And then this is 3, right? So I don't think I can simplify that anymore. And then 80 times 2 is 160. And 1 times 3 is 3. And 3 times, this is my mental process, is 50 is 150. And then 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So that means 53 times 3 is 159. And so I have then 1 left over. So 159 and 1/3 would be my answer. Oh, no, excuse me, 153, not... Ooh, No, that's not right. 3 times 3 is 9, so it's 100, not, okay. It's 153, not 150, because the 3 times 3 is the 9. 153 and 1/3 is going to be your speed. Not 153. What's my problem here? Okay. Whew. 50 and 3. 53 times 3 is 159. So we've got 53 and 1/3 is the miles per hour, MPHs, that it's going to travel the distance of 400 miles in 7.5 hours. Whew. Okay, finally got it right. Hopefully you got it right. Go ahead and pause the video, do number 8. Maybe I'll do better on number 8 after you're done with that one. All right, number 8, Celia ran around a 400-meter track 2 times. It took her 4 minutes to run around the track once and 6 minutes to run around it again. Find Celia's average speed. So here's the track, and it is a 400-meter track. And the first time that she goes around, she does it in 4 minutes. And the second time takes 6 minutes. So what is her speed, her time, her distance? We don't know her speed, but we do know her distance. She went around twice. So it's 800 meters to go around it. And how long did it take her? Well, it took her 10 minutes to go around it twice. So we need some number times 10 is 800. And of course, that would be 80. And that's 80 meters per minute. That's a really fast running speed. 80 meters per minute would be the correct answer. All right, well, I did a little bit better on that one than the first one. Hopefully you did great on both of them and you caught me making my mistake.